How sewing stitches are made.
Now I'll show you how a stitch is made. Okay, let's identify a couple of these key parts. This is the take-up lever. It moves back and forth. It releases the tension on the thread so that the bobbin hook can grab it and make a loop that goes around the bobbin. This is the tension. This is the bobbin. These are fabrics going through, and these are the feed dogs that are moving the fabric through. Each one of these is a stitch. The take-up lever brings the thread down as the needle plunges into the fabric. This releases all of the tension on the thread so that the bobbin hook can grab it and form a loop that goes around the bobbin thread. When that loop goes around the bobbin thread, the take-up lever moves up as the needle is coming up, and it tightens the bobbin thread up underneath of the fabric. You see how the feed dogs are pulling it through? That cycle happens for every stitch, and the timing and the tensions are totally important.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.